610 thing here too.
But let's talk about this guy.
Okay, let's talk about this. This, God only knows where I found this. Probably on on Instagram or something. I found a picture. I do everything I do from pictures.
Yeah. Let's hold it up there.
And I'm gonna attempt to redo my swatch. This is my original swatch that I made this blanket from. And I don't know how many years ago it was, so we're trying to recreate the swatch so we remember how I did it. Alrighty. This was the swatch that I did. And I don't know what my original swatch is now, part of a swatch blanket. So I had to redo a swatch. And I really didn't know where I started from. The blanket starts weird. But I thought, you know what? It really should start at the beginning and end at the beginning. This little ball thing. So Alice over here is, she did a big one, big version. It looks really good.